positive vibes. And I want to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We salute you. We appreciate you so much. You are the reason we keep on shooting these videos each and every day, because you motivate us, you inspire us, and thank you so much. Today, I want to actually talk about something that I have observed with the people of Jamaica. I don't know whether to call it a trait or a character or a spirit, or what can I call it? I want to talk about the winning character or the winning traits or the winning what? The winning spirit of the people of Jamaica. And I want to start by saying I have noticed that whatever Jamaicans put their minds to do, they do it with all their hearts, with all their minds, with all what they have. And that is why we saw when the people, the slaves, were carried from West Africa, they did not relent. They had the spirit of winning, the spirit of reaching their destination. And we find that many people died on the way. But the slaves that arrived in Jamaica, we talked about it in another video. They were the slaves that had a strong will, a strong determination, a strong fighting spirit. And the other day, I shot a video about the fighting spirits of the people of Jamaica. They do not give up. They try and try and try until they make it. They do not lose hope. They are people who are full of determination, people who are full of positivity that in the long run all is going to be well. And we have seen this winning spirit or winning character or winning trait of the people of Jamaica, making them win in so many circumstances. And we have talked about it in so many videos. We have talked about Jamaicans winning in cricket, Jamaicans winning in spelling, Jamaicans winning in athletics, Jamaicans winning in football, Jamaicans winning in Miss World pageants, Jamaicans winning. And this is because they have that trait of winning spirit or winning trait or winning character. And I want to say that for you to have this winning spirit, you must have gone along a journey of struggles, a journey of ups and downs, a journey of storms, and you develop the character of resilience, the character of patience, the character of determination, the character of not losing hope. When I look at Jamaicans, and I'm going to put a video here, going along the athletics, or rather competing in athletics, you'll find that when these people set their mind to run, like when you look at Usain Bolt, Asafa, and Sherika, all those people, when they face their opponent, they face them with another boldness, another strong character, another trait of winning, that they don't fear, they don't panic, they learn like they are joking. The other day, I shot a video about Usain Bolt, and when he approaches the finishing line, he actually jokes, he actually makes fun, he actually entertains those that they are running with. There is no that seriousness of doing things because they know. Actually, I love what Usain Bolt said. You are taught to lose before you are taught to win. In other words, you know, losing makes you even more strong. Losing makes you to actually develop the character of winning, the character of resilience, the character of not giving up, the character of determination and not losing hope. And this is what the Jamaicans have. If we look at the people that have won so many things in Jamaica, like I've given an example of Usain Bolt, he was brought up in an environment that was not all that good. So you're brought up in an environment that has storms all the way, that has ups and downs, and when you go through those ups and downs, you develop strong character, you develop strong determination, you develop the character to win. And that is what we see in Jamaica. Look at the slaves that were captured from West Africa. After they arrived in Jamaica, they worked in sugar plantations, and I tell you, they contributed a lot to what we call Jamaica today, to the economy of Jamaica. They were working hard, and that is why Jamaica was able to move from what it was during the slavery time to what it is today, because they had the spirit of work hard, the spirit of not giving up. Even when they were in the sugar plantations, we found that they learned how to communicate, they learned how to use their own language so that they can talk with each other, and in case they want to run away, they know the language to use, they know the hiding place, they know when they are going to run away, and they know the time they are going to escape and actually are not caught. This is not done by people who are just lazy, people who have no hope, people who have no determination. This is something that is done by people who have hope for tomorrow, people who are determined, people who are creative, people who have a mindset of winning, mindset of going forward, mindset of facing tomorrow with a lot of strength. And that is what we have seen all through Jamaica. Look at the beauty pageant competition of Jamaica. We have seen that several times. Jamaica is a small island, quite small, with a very small population. What has made it to make a name? Remember, Jamaica is the most popular country in the Caribbean. It's the most known country in the Caribbean. It's the most visited country in the Caribbean. Why is it so? And yet Jamaica is a small island. Because of the spirit of the people of Jamaica to win, to conquer. And when they go to whichever country they go along carrying this spirit of winning. And they work hard with a lot of determination, with a lot of resilience. And they know tomorrow it will be better. And I want to tell you, Jamaica has conquered in every place they have gone. The other day we celebrated teachers who have come from Jamaica, and they have gone to the United States of America, and they have won awards. We also looked at a lady who has actually won an award in the fashion industry. We have seen Jamaica producing the fastest people in the world. It requires people who have a winning spirit, who have determination, who are hardworking, and who do not give up. Sometimes you are competing as Jamaicans with the people who have all the advantages to win over Jamaicans. People who have come from developed countries, people who have been provided for all they require to compete better than the people of Jamaica. But they have emerged winners. Why? Because right away from birth, right away from the upbringing of the people of Jamaica, they have been taught you cannot give up, you cannot lose hope. You have to work with a lot of determination, with a lot of patience, and you're going to win. I was actually looking at the spelling competitions that were done by the people of Jamaica. Remember that Jamaicans are not English, they are not actually born speaking English. It is just a language they have learned along the way. But for them to win in the spelling competitions, that is not a small win. It's not something we can just say that the Jamaicans wake up and win. It takes a lot of practice. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of resilience, a lot of determination, a lot of winning spirit. And that is what Jamaicans have shown us. The spirit to win under whatever circumstances, under whatever hardships, under whatever the handles to jump. They are willing to jump those handles and emerge winners. Look at the competition, the ice, is it called the skating? The ice competitions. Jamaica has no ice. Imagine. They don't have ice, and yet they compete this race and they won. What can you call that? It is the winning spirit, the winning character, the winning trait of the people of Jamaica. It's not something small. Look at the innovations that Jamaicans have done. They were the first people to actually instill electricity in their country. The railway line, the water. Actually, even before the developed countries had electricity, Jamaica had. Why? And it is a small island. Because the people are determined to go to the next level, to go to the next step, to win over every circumstance that they go through. And that is why they were able to innovate things that had not been innovated in the other countries. Look at the kind of innovations that have been done by Jamaicans. The production of drugs like the kwashiorkor, the discovery of kwashiorkor and the healing process, the discovery of aeroplanes, the discovery of so many things that have been done from Jamaica, the breeds, the cows, the best breeds of meat, the best breed of milk, the beer, the best beer in the whole world is produced in Jamaica. The best food in the whole world is produced in Jamaica because Jamaica do the best. Whatever they put their minds on, whatever they put their hands to do, it must be the best. They must win. They must conquer. They must be ahead of the others. That is the kind of spirit the Jamaicans have. Or how can you explain that such a small island, they are actually ahead, way ahead in music. They are actually the ones who introduced hip-hop in America. Such a small island, they can produce such a high-class beer, such a high-class coffee, such a high-class breed of cows. Do you think it is just normal people? They are people with a lot of winning traits, winning character, winning spirit. And they cannot give up until they conquer, until they win. That is the character of the people of Jamaica. And that is why most of the people ask themselves, why are Jamaicans always saying they are the best in this? I shot a video of this woman who was asking Jamaicans, why do you keep on telling us about your food? You are the best in the food. You are the best in your porridge. You are the best in everything. Because Jamaicans have the character that they cannot lose. They cannot give up. They cannot lose hope. They have to win. How can you explain that a Jamaican what? A Jamaican born or Jamaican origin, Kamala Harris, has actually won one of the highest seats in the world. It requires somebody with a character of winning, somebody who cannot give up. Jamaica has occupied very high seats in the United States of America. We have talked about it. They have occupied very high seat in Canada, in UK. Why? Because they do not relent. Whenever they go, they have to win. They have the winning spirit. And that is why they are able to conquer in so many areas, even in music. And their country has evolved. The other day I shot a video about the evolvement, the transformation of society to what it is today. A very developed country. A country with very, very good infrastructure. Very, very good projects that have been put into place in Jamaica. Because Jamaicans have the winning spirit. And I want to say, with the winning spirit, you can conquer all. We have seen them conquering in every field because of the winning trait, the winning character, the winning spirit of the people of Jamaica. And today, we celebrate them because they have taught us not to relent, not to give up, not to lose hope. Because tomorrow can be bright when we work hard. Tomorrow can be successful when we put our minds to do the right thing. So today I wanted just to highlight the winning spirit of the people of Jamaica, and actually all of us, we have seen it everywhere they go, every place they go, even in their own country. Their winning spirit has taken them far. And today, I think I'll just talk about that. See you during the next video. Bye-bye and God bless.